Another interesting part is that all the laborers, they need some electric equipment, especially they are using a lot of drills to make holes, they are using jackhammers to break things and so on. So how did they handle this? What they did at the beginning was they used one level to put on it like electrical main connections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so 5, 6, and then I saw the cables starting to go from floor to floor. So if somebody wants electricity, he will request a cable to go from here to here to here to here to here, and so on. So it was a very interesting way how to make the electricity, especially that they are they did it on one above each other, and cables were going from left to right. So using electricity is a must for doing any work, I think, in here, because they all needed it in their equipment in using. So they make those electrical connections, and they connect the electricity between one and the other. And you see even the electricity is going all the way up to the roof. Why? Because even on the roof they needed air blowers to clean and all this. So the electricity use inside the building is from outside of the building, and the wires are hanging up and down on this side.